Come on. Okay, Henry. First time eating bilo-bilo. Hindi nga. Okay. Now really, you tell me. Dito ko talaga nahanapan yung pinakamasarap na bilo-bilo. We went to the mall and I was very disappointed.
Simple, kahit na hindi kumpletong Ricardo.
Yes. You don't need kumpletong Ricardo. Diba? Like, actually, that's how we want it. Yung simple lang siya, pero tamang-tama yung timpla, tsaka yung consistency niya and the texture, right?
Hindi masyadong malapot. Talalengan mo.
We are very passionate about the food that we eat, that's why. Mahilig kami mag-try ng iba't ibang pagkain and kapag nakuha namin yung talagang gusto namin, talagang pinagmamalaki namin. Okay. Ooh, how is it?
Hindi matamis. Okay lang. Mga diabetic pwede lang kainin.
Oh, may mga diabetes daw dyan. So, solve, di ba? So, ayan. Dito kami sa may Villasis Market. And who would have known, ng pinakamasarap na mga kakanin ay nandito lang. Oh, di ba? And this is Jenny Rose, right? Yan si Jenny Rose. So, nandito lang siya, nagtatago dito sa Villasis. Dito kayo pumunta sa masarap na bilo-bilo. Manang. Ayan. Okay, so is it time for me to eat now? I wanna eat too. Okay, sold na sold. Pangalawa mo na yan. How about you, Emers? Did you like it?
Hindi yung sobra niya.
Oh, yung sobra niya? Okay. Oh, wow. Grabe siya. Oh. Grabe. Dapat...
Thumbs up.
Eh, no, and the best thing is that's only 10 pesos.
Yeah.
Punta ka sa mall, di ba, Karyang? Nagbasit.
Dito sa'yo.
Ay, bakit?
Binawasan ko na.
Ay, pinawasan mo pa. Ano ba yan?